Imagine a world without color. Can you picture it? A world where everything is in shades of gray, where the vibrancy of life is muted and the beauty of nature is hidden behind a monochrome veil. No vibrant sunsets painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. No lush green forests teeming with life. No colorful rainbows arcing across the sky after a refreshing rain shower. It would be a dull and lifeless place, devoid of the visual stimuli that bring joy and excitement to our everyday experiences. Thankfully, we have color all around us. From the vibrant landscapes that take our breath away to the bustling cities filled with a kaleidoscope of hues, color enriches our lives in countless ways. And we have crayons to capture it all, to bring our imaginations to life. These simple yet magical tools allow us to express our creativity and see the world through a spectrum of colors. But have you ever stopped to think about how these humble tools of creativity are made? The journey of a crayon from raw materials to the finished product is a fascinating one. Join me now as we journey into the fascinating world of crayon creation. We'll explore the meticulous process that transforms simple wax into vibrant sticks of color. We'll uncover the secrets behind their waxy texture, their brilliant hues, and the journey they take from the factory floor to your eager hands. Each crayon is a small piece of art, crafted with care and precision. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and artistry that goes into making each and every crayon. From the selection of pigments to the molding and packaging, every step is a testament to human creativity and innovation. It's a process that's as colorful and captivating as the crayons themselves. So, let's dive in and discover the vibrant world of crayon creation together. Our journey begins with simple ingredients, the building blocks of every crayon. The first is paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is what gives crayons their smooth, glide-on texture. It arrives at the factory in large, solid blocks. These blocks are then melted down into a liquid form. The second key ingredient is pigment. Pigments are what give crayons their vibrant colors. These pigments come in a powdered form. Think of the brightest blues, the sunniest yellows, the most fiery reds. Each color comes from a specific pigment, or a blend of pigments. These fine powders hold the key to unlocking a whole spectrum of artistic possibilities. Now comes the exciting part, mixing the colors. The melted paraffin wax is poured into giant mixing vats. Then, the pigment powders are added in carefully measured amounts. The mixture is stirred continuously. This ensures that the color is evenly distributed throughout the wax. Imagine if the color wasn't mixed properly. You might start coloring a bright red apple, only to have it fade into a pale pink halfway through. Precision is key in this process. The temperature of the mixture is also carefully controlled. This ensures that the wax remains liquid and flows smoothly into the next stage of production. Shaping the rainbow. The colorful liquid wax is now ready to be shaped into crayons. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming vibrant liquid into solid sticks of color. It flows through pipes into molds. These molds are meticulously designed to ensure each crayon is uniform in shape and size. Each mold is designed to create the classic crayon shape we all know and love. The precision in mold design is crucial for the final product. The molds are cooled, which solidifies the wax. This cooling process is carefully monitored to ensure the crayons set perfectly. Think of it like making ice cubes. The principle is quite similar, but with a lot more precision and control. You pour water into a tray, put it in the freezer, and voila! You have ice. The same concept applies here, but with wax instead of water. It's a similar concept with crayons. The liquid wax is poured into molds and then cooled to form solid crayons. The cooling process is crucial. It ensures that the crayons harden uniformly and maintain their shape. It needs to be done at just the right temperature and for the right amount of time. Too hot or too cold, and the crayons won't set properly. This ensures that the crayons harden properly and don't become brittle or break easily. Quality control is essential to guarantee that each crayon meets the high standards expected by consumers. Once the crayons have passed quality control, they are ready to be packaged and shipped to stores, where they will bring joy and creativity to children and artists alike. From factory to fingertips. Fresh from their molds, the crayons are ready for their final touches. They travel along conveyor belts, just like luggage at the airport. First, they are labeled with their designated colors. Can you imagine a box of crayons without labels? It would be chaos. Next, they are sorted and counted into boxes. Finally, the boxes are sealed, packed into larger cartons, and shipped off to stores around the world. And just like that, the crayons are ready to spark creativity in the hands of children, and artists of all ages. Crayola, a colorful legacy. The journey of the crayon is intricately linked with the company Crayola. From humble beginnings, Crayola has grown into a household name, known for its vibrant and diverse range of crayons. Since the early 1900s, Crayola has been synonymous with color and creativity. Their advertisements from the past reflect a commitment to quality and innovation that continues to this day. They produced the first boxes of 8 crayons, a revolutionary concept at the time. These initial boxes laid the foundation for what would become a global phenomenon. Over the years, Crayola has introduced countless colors and specialty crayons. From glitter crayons to scented crayons, each new product has added a unique touch to the Crayola legacy. Their innovations never cease to amaze. Children and adults alike find joy in the endless possibilities that Crayola crayons offer. But one thing remains constant: Crayola's commitment to inspiring creativity and imagination in people of all ages. Whether it's a child's first drawing or an adult's artistic masterpiece, Crayola is there to bring their visions to life. Their crayons continue to brighten our world, one colorful stroke at a time. The impact of Crayola's products can be seen in classrooms, homes, and art studios around the globe. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of crayons, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more colorful stories and creative inspirations.